If you're looking for a cleanser to help achieve smoother, clearer skin, then the CeraVe Salicylic Acid Smoothing Cleanser might be for you. In today's video, I will be walking you through the benefits of this cleanser and how to use it properly to achieve the best result. The CeraVe Salicylic Acid Smoothing Cleanser is formulated to exfoliate and soften the skin, making it an ideal choice for those struggling with oily, rough skin texture, blackheads, and blemishes. It can also be used on both the face and the body. However, it is important to know if you have extremely dry or sensitive skin, you may want to opt for a different cleanser in the CeraVe range. So how does salicylic acid work within the skin? Salicylic acid is a beta hydroxy acid, which is known for its ability to penetrate into the pores of the skin to remove impurities and exfoliate. This ingredient is oil soluble, making it perfect for breaking down any dirt, sebum, and other impurities that may clog the pores and lead to breakouts. Secondly, salicylic acid has anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce the appearance of redness and soothe irritated skin when it comes to any acne or oily prone skin. This CeraVe cleanser also contains 3 essential ceramides, which help restore the skin's natural barrier, keeping your skin hydrated and protected against environmental aggressors. And lastly, the formulation includes hyaluronic acid and niacinamide. Hyaluronic acid is known for its hydration retaining properties, while niacinamide can help minimize the appearance of pores and promote an even skin tone. So how can you use the CeraVe Salicylic Acid Smoothing Cleanser? Begin by wetting your skin with lukewarm water, and then you want to dispense 1 to 2 pumps of the cleanser onto your fingertips. You can also add water, mix, and gently massage the cleanser onto your face in circular motions, avoiding the eye area. You also need to cleanse your neck and décolletage or chest area as well. You want to rinse thoroughly and pat your skin dry with a clean towel. If it's at night time, you want to go in with a second cleanse to ensure that you remove all dirt, impurities, oil from the day. And then you want to proceed with your usual skincare routine, including your serums and ensuring you apply a moisturizer to keep your skin hydrated. Now, it's always a good practice to do a patch test for using any new skincare product on your skin to ensure that you don't have any adverse reactions. To learn more about the CeraVe range, make sure to check out these videos right now.